Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This video today we're gonna unbox this engine here. This is an engine. It's Louis' engine. It came over from Veicomer company in Portugal. Just build race engines. I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, what has been done to it. And I'm gonna show you the DSG setup as well, because we're gonna convert this car in DSG. So let's get on. So I kind of take half apart, but I'll take the rest. This is gonna be Louis' gearbox. It's a DQ 250. We're gonna leave with standard clutch for now. The clutch is inside this cover here. We're gonna leave with standard clutch for now, because we wanna fit on the car, test it, see if it works how we want to work, see if it works properly. Then we'll need a clutch for sure. Then we'll replace the clutch. So this is a standard Seat IBIZA gearbox mount. I don't know how it's gonna go here, but I'm probably gonna have to find a way. First, I want to fit this gearbox in the engine, make sure it fits on the car, because I don't really know if it fits on the car or not, because this gearbox is huge, and I think it's 55 kg if I'm not wrong. So we bought special mechatronics for it as well. But the mechatronics I'm not going to show you yet, because we kind of want to keep secret a little bit until we make sure everything works properly. Then we will reveal where the mechatronics come from, how we done it, and all of that. What else? So yeah, I'm gonna take this thing apart and gonna show you what the engine look like. And ta-da! Yeah, I'll took all the cardboard out. So as you can see, a brand new Veicomer camshaft, ARP head bolts. What else? Has all the fancy deepling. It's been ported. Don't know if you guys can see, the valve seal is different than the normal. Is a beryllium. I don't know how to spell really, but it's upgraded valve seals for better seating. So it must have upgrade how do you call springs, valve springs. And you know, this engine is a full race engine. If you go to Veicomer website, or you can see what the full race engine takes. Pistons are 2-liter pistons. The rods is Veicomer rods. So basically everything you can buy for a PD to fit on this engine has it. The only thing it doesn't have yet is the injectors, but I'll fit the injectors and I'll fit everything. But it's a really bare block, like just comes the block, the crank, pistons. So literally what you see is what it came on the package. So I haven't took anything off. It's actually saying Skillaturbos and Veicomer. So yeah, looking good. Don't really know the engine code, ASZ engine code, but the engine code doesn't really matter for us, because as long as you replace all the internals, the engine will be fine. So now somewhere I need to find the sump, oil pump, oil filter housing, all the covers for this size of the engine. Yeah, joy. So yes guys, yeah, don't know how it's gonna end up, this video, but hopefully you guys like to see what I just done. Just took the cardboard off, is all the mess there, so I'm gonna have to clean the mess now. But yeah, this engine is gonna be with that gearbox. I'll need to clean it off. I'm gonna take the gearbox apart, see if everything looks good inside, and we'll go from there. Yeah, I think it's hydraulic lifters as well. You must have hydraulic lifters. So already put the engine on the stand. As you can see from the bottom, have Vacoma rods. You can't see the letters because it's all been fitted in. And so now we are taking the sump and other bits and pieces of that engine, so we can assemble it on that. The oil pump, I have a brand new one somewhere there to fit on this engine as well. And yeah, we have to take this engine to bits because it's damaged, so we're gonna use some parts of this one. That is my spare engine. I built two engines last year and I did only use one engine, so this is my spare. This is probably gonna be the main engine for my car for this year's coming. There is a brand new engine there, belongs to Lewis as well. There is some spare bits and pieces on the floor here. Gonna have to clean all the garage before I'm go. And there is another engine. Is original pistons. Just machine the pistons and machine the bore to fit new piston rings. So it's a standard engine just with new pistons. Literally, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'll probably save as a spare, or if somebody needs a good engine, I know it's been built and all of that, I'll probably sell that on. Yeah, using some I don't know what's this called. What's this called, Luis? This machine?
Ultrasonic.
Ultrasonic.
Ultrasonic back.
To clean some bolts and things like that. And I have another cleaner there. I have the sunblast, and it sunblast some engine mounts and things like that. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Building this engine. Then we crack on and go for the gearbox side of it. It's gonna be fun, isn't it, Liz?
And I'm working actually. No.
Ah.
Where's my gloves?
No, you don't need gloves, man. You don't need gloves. So, yeah, let's get on with it. Another thing I forgot to mention about this engine is the price. The engine as it is, just the cylinder head, the block, pistons, camshafts, valves, everything has been done to this engine. You look in between 4,000 to 5,000 pounds. You know, it's not cheap, but it's good quality. You know, it's been proved. I have parts from them on my racing cars. I have all of that, and I never have big issues with it. Once in a while, it's gonna go wrong. Don't expect to buy an engine like this and they expect to last forever. They probably will last forever if you run like low power, things like that. But when you start using nitrous, things like that, you should expect eventually it will go wrong. It's not gonna last forever. So, like every another engine, you know, if you do a petrol engine, if you build a petrol engine, take big power, you take big risks as well. You know, it's nothing gonna last forever. We don't last forever, so engines doesn't last forever. So, is it not true, Luis?
What?
Is it the engine is gonna last forever?
I wish. No, it won't last forever.
No, like everything
Especially
else.
the way we push it. No, it's
Yeah,
not made for that.
using nitrous and everything is. Not even the standard engines look forever, last forever.
Yeah.
Look, what? Q7 here.
Q7.
Fucked. So,
Yeah.
so it's standard. Yeah, things
Yeah.
go wrong all the time. So we're done for today. We assembly all of this, hover cover, everything is done inside the engine. So now we need the flywheel, tandem pump, and bits and bobs. So it's probably going to be on another video. Stay tuned.